called the Reflex Robot. This is a humanoid upper body, wheeled lower body, and it can do picking from shelves, picking two bins, moving boxes onto conveyors, you name it. Got a 16-hour battery life, so you can work a double shift with one robot without charging. This is a 50-pound bag. We've got a little shelf on the base there, so we can drive around with that weight. We can do palletizing, depalletizing, loading to conveyors, and also serving ice cream in the front of the booth.
Robots, automation, AI. Are we working ourselves out of a job? According to a CNN article from June 2024, 61% of large U.S. firms plan to use AI this year to automate tasks previously done by humans. No more fetching boxes off the rack, having to do work that could be dangerous to people, and generally speeding up workflow, saving businesses time and money. In short, automation is taking over.
Gone are the days of, lines of people in a assembly line putting things together. Everything is automated. The perception was, well, factory automation takes human jobs and stuff. That's absolutely 100% not the case. Robots do not take jobs. Robots do 4 things. They do the jobs that are dangerous, dull, dirty, and dark. Let a robot do that. No, don't have a human do that.